guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So this one we can put s to the power of negative number 3. Later that we can do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. This is about the power rule of the derivative. So you got this one. This one that is about the constant. So you got number 0. Because we don't have negative number 3, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 3. So this one we change for u. This one with the s we change for this one. The integration of this one, that is about Ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.